remaining in quarter number 2. Pull-up jumper, YDO.
And with that play, kapag pinanood mo yun, you know it's something that they run in practice over and over again. Then pagpunta ni Yancy doon sa
Dawson, naunahan lang ni Bulls. Buena Fe, papasok para dito kay Macmac Cardona. Salvacion, umahabol, umabot ba? Hindi pa naman nayabot yung bola. So Salvacion and Buena Fe, the two starters para dito kay Coach RG. Ibinalik na ni Coach Gregorio. Buena Fe, fresh off the bench, pull-up jumper.
Talk about degree of difficulty. Ron J. Buena Fe getting his first 2 points and with style.
41-39, Sandvik still up but only by 2 now. YDO looking for goals, dadaan muna kay Baroka yung bola. Levans nakasin na kontra kay Salvacion. Baroka will miss, Dawson for the rebound. Dawson dribbling down the middle of the court. Hanap yung kanyang point guard na Chris Ross. Ross to Sunday, up fake, step back 3. No good. TJ with yet another board. Ang-apat na rebound na yan para dito kay Simon. Levans kontra Salvacion. Ito yung kanina pa hinihingi ni JTV. Wanting to use his size. Now feeding Bowles. Naku, Stockford nabitin.
Dapat dinakdak na lang yun ni Denzel Bowles.
Pagkanoy, Stockford finish. Nabitin tuloy. Blocking foul whistle here.
This is that pass. JDB to Bowles. Andun na no? Pwede nyo nang idakdak yun.
Offensive foul pala na ipito. Dito din Jay Garcia. So pagkatapos na itong timeout na ito, mababalik ang bola si Sandy Cobb. .39 ang nasa ating talaan. Etong Sandvik Coffee holding on to this 2-point lead. 2:22 rin natitira sa quarter number 2. Magumarjan po kasama si Dominic Oy with Sel Guevara patrolling the sidelines. As we remind everybody na pwede natin ma-witness yung hard-hitting MMA action sa PXC 37. For Bantamweight Championship, si Crisanto, The Slugger Pipitunge, ang makakalaban ni Michinori Tanaka. Babakbakan din naman sina Mark Mugen Striegel at Yusuke Yachi sa May 18 po yan, alas 7 ng gabi sa Inares Sports Arena at alas 9 ng gabi mapapanood via satellite dito lang sa Active. Tickets are available at all SM Tickets and Ticket World outlets. Baroka gets it over to Bowles. Pull-up jumper. Denzel continues to deliver.
You know, in this conference, I feel yung jump shot nito si Denzel Bowles, he's actually gotten better at that as compared to last year nung naglaro siya dito.
Palayo ng palayo eh. Yung pinapakita ni Denzel Bowles. Baka pag bumalik pa to next year,
3 points na.
43-39. Less than 2 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Abante ng 4. Buena Fe. Gusto bawasan yan. Buena Fe all the way to the hole.
Ron J. Buena Fe. The good thing about him is he's always very aggressive when he's on the court. Always looking to score and get a basket.
Simon. Nakawala ng bahagya. Dire-diretso.
Collapse on the defense that time of the Meralco. The ball wide open yung layup ni PJ Simon.
Dawson, it's been a silent first half for him so far. They go over to Ross. Dawson wanting to make some noise.
Using his quickness that time. One shot fake to the right, dribble to the left, and got the layup.
Ayun pa lang, naka-double digits. Setting si Eric Dawson, a total of 10 points. Baroka with a one-hander. 10 beats. Salvacion para sa rebound. Ross with a running start. Gets it over to Hugnatan. One dribble, left-handed layup. Bitin. Bowles for the rebound. Pero a little shaken up. Ito si Denzel Bowles. slowly gets down court.
Well, kanina napansin natin that they were working on his right thigh. Maybe try to get an update on that during the halftime.
Barroca on the move, down the gut of the defense. Too strong. Barroca gets his own miss. Malakas pa rin. Pero mananatili ang bola. Dito si San Miguel Coffee. Last touch daw ang Meralco to.
22 seconds for the San Miguel Coffee Mixers to be able to get the last shot in this quarter.
Barroca from the baseline. They can hold for the last possible attempt, up by 2 points. PJ Simon, his specialty of the house niya, mga last second situation though.
And he likes having the ball in his hands dito sa ganitong mga sitwasyon.
8 seconds remaining ngayon. Starting first half. He elects to give it up to Bowles. Spin to the baseline. Loses that leather, pero last touch daw. Ito si Hugnatan.
Bowles trying to go for the quick spin to the baseline, but Hugnatan getting a hand on it.
Now with 4 seconds remaining, sino kaya ang titira? PJ Simon asking for it. They immediately go to Bowles. Nabitawan pa. Hugnatan with a Hail Mary. Napalakas lang yung kanyang tira. So at the end of the first 24 minutes of action, it is San Mig by 2, 45-43. Habang nasira ni Dominic Uy yung buzzer dito.
The Meralco making a better or good headway dito sa ating second quarter. Dalawa na lang ang lamang nitong San Mig Coffee Mixers. Largely because of a Mac Cardona coming to life here in the second quarter, but also itong si Mark Borboran with back-to-back threes also to start out the second quarter for the Meralco.
Maganda yung mga hugot ni Coach RG mula sa kanyang bench. Talagang halos lahat naman talaga nag-contribute dito. At yung binanggit mong bida at the half para sa Meralco ay ating makakasama. Mac, binabanggit na ni Dom kanina, yung focus mo, yung fire doon sa mga mata mo, parang pansin na pansin natin sa ballgame na ito.
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-redeem sarili ko nung last na meet namin sila. 0.
Oo, Mac, pinag-usapan namin yun nga. 0 points ka in that first game against San Mig Coffee. Paano ka ba nag-prepare for this ball game? 10 points ka na ngayon?
Wala. Focus na sa practice. Yun lang, extra shooting. Kung ano yun lang, makakatulong sa team, ginagawa ko.
Naalala namin last year, Mac, madalas mong Alaskain itong San Mig Coffee doon sa ano height mo. Na-expect pa namin yan sa second half?
Hindi ko alam. Depende. Tingnan natin.
Kailangan kalbuin mo muna, no? Thank you sa iyong oras, Mac, and good luck pagdating ng second half. It is San Mig Coffee by 2, 45-43. Magbe-break muna kami ni kasamang Dom. Magbabalik po ang inyong PBA dito lang sa Active.
PBA Top of the Night, it's the Meralco Balls versus the San Mig Coffee Mixers. Ang score po, 43-45 lamang po ang San Mig Coffee Mixers as we are going into halftime. And of course, makitakbo na po tayo sa PBA Idols sa Run for a Cause sa April 21. Sa Sunday po yan, may 2K, 3K, 5K, 10K at 15K event. Okay, ngayon naman, panoorin na natin ang top 5 plays of the week.
Sa naging palitan ng muka sa nakaraang Face-Off Wednesday, maraming notable plays ang naganap. Kaya naman, ito ang top 5 plays mula sa mga laro noon. Ikalima, magdiriwang ang Gakonatics sa malahimalang putback ni Jerwin Gako.
Samantala, natapal na Jerwin Gako. Nakaswerte pa sa kanyang posisyon. At bukas, may bonfire yung mga fans ni Jerwin Gako.
They will unite.
Oo.
At number 4 naman, Duncan Dunnigan does it again sa kanyang two-handed putback dakdak.
Kaya tumutulong na si Michael Danigan. Tapos yung investigation ng Reta. So, ito, may 8 puntos na si Michael Danigan.
Pangatlo si Vernon Macklin na todo ganado sa kanyang hook shot na may foul pa.
Gets it over to Macklin. D-Mac gets the basket because of a foul!
And Vernon Macklin has erupted. What an explosion!
Chance of Ginebra echoing through the halls of the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Ikalawa, pagpatapos na ang oras, silipin naman ang relo at baka Casio time na.
Casio on the run. His Hail Mary. Oh! JB Casio at the buzzer.
What a shot! Three-pointer galing kay JB.
JB Casio just in the nick of time.
At ang naguna, muling magiging The Kid, ang veteranong si Kirby Raimundo sa kanyang sumasalampak at todo kagat na one-handed slam.
Not that time around, Raimundo! Kirby Raimundo getting up there!
Making sure with a slam dunk, Kirby Raimundo. He's enjoying it.
When was the last time you saw that, Ginito?
I don't know, it's been a while. But Kirby Raimundo, emphatic slam dunk.
Sulit talaga tuwing magbabakbakan ang ating PBA stars. Iba't ibang bukod tanging hataw ang galaw, ang siguradong aapaw at manghahalimaw.
inside the MOA Arena kung saan patuloy ang bakbakan sa pwestuhan itong Meralco at San Mig Coffee. So far at the half, it is the Mixers by 2, 45-43. Magumarjan po, kasama pa rin natin si Dominic Uy. It was all San Mig from the get-go nung first quarter, pero nakabawi din kagad itong Meralco.
Kapag hindi mo itong dalawang quarter na to, in the first quarter, you gotta give it to the San Mig Coffee Mixers. Pero nung second quarter, nakabalik itong Meralco Balls, and that's why they only have a 2-point lead itong San Mig Coffee Mixers. So balikan natin yung ating first quarter, Magu.
Silipin natin yung mga kapanapanabig na pangyayari from the first 12 minutes of action. After going scoreless both squads for the first couple of minutes, itong San Mig Coffee finally got themselves going. Bowles and Devons connecting on that occasion. Tapos yung depensa talaga nila, ang kanilang sinandalan dito. PJ Simon will finish here. Nice location coming from Devons, diving out of bounds. Si Denzel Bowles talaga namang nagparamdam. Nangalabaw na dito sa loob ng MOA Arena. Two-handed jab. Devons returning the bait.
You look at that first quarter, 6-point lead by the San Mig Coffee Mixers. Yung kanilang field goal percentage, 45% dahil maganda ang kanilang ikot ng bola. And look at the fast break points for the San Mig Coffee Mixers. They were in total control of that tempo. And you look at the turnovers for the Meralco Balls, too many turnovers. And then San Mig Coffee naman, naka 6 points off those turnovers. So you gotta give that quarter to the San Mig Coffee Mixers.
Pagdating ng second quarter of action, doon na bumomba itong Meralco Balls. Macma Cardona, scoreless nung una niyang makatapat. Ngayong komperensya, itong San Mig, he had went to work in quarter number 2. Naka-double digits na siya. Para dito sa Meralco, Ross with a steal. Hodge finding Cardona on the run. 10 points in total para kay Captain Hook. Tapos yung isa pang hinugot ni Coach RG sa bench, Mark Borboran, not one but 2 long bombs ang kanyang pinakawalan. Kaya nanalo sila in that second quarter, 20-23. Pero down pa rin sila by 2.
Cardona in that second quarter had 8 points, but yung bench scoring for the Meralco Balls, ito ngang si Mark Borboran, simula pa lang, napilitan nga mag-timeout itong San Mig Coffee at the beginning of the second quarter. 20 bench points coming from there. And point in the paint for the Meralco Balls, 16 as compared to only 4 for the San Mig Coffee Mixers. Kung nung first quarter, yung mga turnovers ang binibigay ng Meralco, pagdating naman sa second quarter, baliktad yan. They were forcing San Mig Coffee into turnovers and they were scoring off those turnovers. That's why nakabalik itong Meralco in the second quarter, 28-23 ang score just for the second quarter alone.
Para malaman naman natin ngayon kung ano ang mga napag-usapan at the half, makibalita tayo kay Selke pa.
2 pointers lang ang binigay ni Coach Ryan Gregorio sa kanyang mga players. Una, i-shoot naman nila mga free throws nila. Pangalawa, ingatan naman sana ng kanyang mga players ang bola. At nakausap ko naman ang physical therapist ng San Mig Coffee Mixers. Sabi, wag daw mag-alala mga fans kapag may minamasahing key players. Ibig sabihin lang ito, it's maintenance para hindi bumalik ang kanilang mga injuries for this important game. Magud, Dominic?
Thank you, Sel. Itong Meralco went 4 of 9 from the free throw line all first half long. 44% lang yan. Pero yung mga maintenance naman. Maintenance na hinihingi.
Ikaw ba may kailangan i-maintain sa'yo?
Liver.
Pamasahin natin mamaya. But, talking about what Coach Ryan Gregorio said, shoot naman nila yung free throws nila. Yes, that's one thing. But another thing is, they could want to go to the free throw line a little bit more.
No. 9 attempts lang compared to the 14 of San Mig Coffee so far. Yung aggression, makikita mo dyan, ano? Now the second half underway inside the Mall of Asia Arena. Joe Devons ang didiskarte, gets it over to Bowles. Kasama nila sina Horta, Simon at Baroka. Same starting unit yan. Ganun din naman para dito. Sa Meralco, we see itong sinahugnatan. Ross, Salvacion, Buenafe at ang kanilang import na si Dawson.
Gotta remember here at the start of the third quarter, both Chris Ross and Eric Dawson with 3 personal fouls. So kailangan mag-ingat sila because if they get their fourth, they will be forced to sit down early.
Buenafe punches it through. He's got 7 points in total. He's scoreless to the first quarter.
In the second quarter, nagpakita na ng 3-point shooting. Ito Meralco Balls, and now simula ng second quarter, naka 3 points ulit. Ito si Buenafe.
PJ Simon now in double digits himself. 10 na ang kanyang total. Buenafe kontra Simon. Pupunta sila kay Salvacion. Dawson with a pull-up is fouled by Bowles. Free throw pang parating para kay Eric Dawson. elbow, ano? Tama na ito ni Dawson.
Bahagya lang yun.
Mintis nga lang yung bonus para dito kay Eric Dawson. He's now 0 for 2 from that free throw line. Para yung bonus free throw yun, I mean. 48-47, it is Meralco by 1. Devans, hindi mabawi yung kalamangan. Ross over to Hugnatan. Meralco will reset. Dahil ang base din ang depensa ng Sammy Coffee. Ross on the move. Gustong kalabawin. Itong si Baroka. Fouled way before the attempt.
And every time Chris Ross drives to the lane now, mukhang napaghandaan siya ni Mark Baroka because he's not able to get a clear layout. Kind of bobbles a little bit dahil natatapik nitong si Mark Baroka.
Third personal foul whistled on Baroka. Dawson against 2. Where will he go? Dawson gets it to Hugnatan. Pinali pa ni Reynel. Palabas. Pero na-last touch pa rin doon si Hugnatan. Officials correcting himself there. Baroka nagtawid ng bola. Devans. Pull-up three-pointer. It's good!
And after that 3-point shot, Joe Devans, sige na, baba na kayo. But Joe Devans has been trying to make that 3-point shot. He had 1 or 2 attempts in the first half.
Cross over to Dawson. Gets away from Devans. Kinuha lang ng ring yung kanyang tira. Na Horda, nakita si Simon. PJ doing what he does best.
If you're the point guard for the San Mig Coffee Mixers, pagkakuha nyo ng rebound, tinitignan mo na, inaabangan mo na itong si PJ Simon. Try to leak out and get that quick 2.
Open court basketball. Definitely forte yan ni Peter June. Hugnatan in traffic. His forte. Di lang naawa yung ring doon.
Going strong again, itong si Reynel Hugnatan. This is that 3-point shot of Joe Devans in this after. Sige na, baba kayo.
No celebration. Ayos lang.
One of the things that's hardest na bantayan, yung fast break, especially coming off a shot. And PJ Simon just a master of being able to leak out and get the 2 points.
Dom, unahan tayo. Sino makakagaya ng buhok ni Joe Devans? Wala ka namang bantay ngayon. Pwede kang...
Ano mangyayari?
Ano kaya maganda?
Kumauna ako. Kumauna ka. Ano mangyayari?
ano maganda pagpustahan? Tanong natin mamaya ka naman.
Steak dinner.
Yan, steak.
Diba?
Pero kailangan ganyan kataas yung buhok.
Oh!
52-49. Devans to Bulls. Foul on Hugnatan on the catch. No choice na si Reynel doon. Naulaan siya. Simon, nice movement without the leather. Pitin lang yung tira. Somehow it ended up with Chris Ross. Nabitawan ni Naborda yun. Hugnatan on the secondary. Broken up by Baroka once again, though.
Good defense by Baroka. He's able to get to the lane and try to delay the offense of the Meralco Bulls.
Hugnatan gustong makuha yung kanyang puntos. Gets it over to Dawson. Tied up and fouled. In the process, Bulls will pick up number 2. Or 3, rather.
And when you're posting up at that time, usually you want to get them the ball not by the free throw line. Maybe a little bit closer and get a running start para hindi na siya mag-dribble. Once you start dribbling towards the basket, parang magnet yung bola eh. People will try to swipe at it.
Austin goes 2 for 2. 2 for 4 so far in this game after missing his first 2. Mapasa isang abante ni Stanley. Bulls spinning baseline. Nando doon si Ross para magambala siya. Bulls did not like that contact.
Second personal foul for Hugnatan. He has a tough task. Had a tough task to try to stop dead the Bulls. But Bulls, alam mo magandang ginagawa ni Bulls. Quick spin towards the baseline. And he's so big and strong that he's able to maintain yung space na na-create na dun sa mabilis na ikot.
Denzel takes care of both. post. Nagmamadali ang Meralco. Ross to Buenafe. Here's a three. Bowles saves it. Ang tabla sana yun para dito kay Ronche. Horda, quick pass to Bowles. Two shots parating na naman para kay Denzel.
And another foul by Reynel Hugnatan. Hard to stop Denzel Bowles, especially when he's moving well without the basketball. You know, even if you move well without the basketball, kailangan mo tignan yung pumensa nitong San Mig Coffee. Proper spacing.
San Mig Coffee repeatedly hurting Meralco from that 15-foot line. Pinagpatuloy nila yung ginawa nila ng first half, ano? Owing to the line, forcing Meralco to foul.
And that goes hand in hand. When you space the floor very well, mahirap humelt. So kapag mag-isa ka, naunahan ka, more than likely, you end up fouling.
Hindi ka masyutan, malamang foul ang pamigay mo. Hugnatan, ball fake. Gets it to the post. Tatlo kalaban, Dawson. No. Bowles rebound, Devons pushes it. Pang-13 rebound na yan para dito kay Denzel Bowles. Pull-up jumper. Denzel delivers!
21 points now for Denzel Bowles. 6 in the first, 9 in the second, and 6 so far here in the third.
Denzel Bowles taking over para sa San Mig Coffee, getting it done from underneath and from beyond. Kaya naman etong San Mig, abante na naman by 7 points. Sa tulong ng Alaksan FR at mga basketball legends, top 50 players mula sa Visayas hanggang Mindanao ang napili at nabigyan ng 10 quarts of inspiration ng oportunidad at libreng training. At magpapagalingan sila sa Alaksan FR National Camp Finals. April 16 po yan, 2013 sa Unilad Gym. Magpapatuloy naman ang top 10 winners sa pag-abot ng kanilang pangarap. Dahil kapag sagot mo ang galing, sagot ng Alaksan FR ang aray. 100% suporta ng Alaksan FR at isigaw ang galing mo. For more details, visit facebook.com/AlaksanFastRelease. Project kasama sila po. Napakaganda project naman.
Napakaganda ng laro itong si PJ Simon, getting another 2 points. And again, quick yung binigay nitong si PJ.
That stretches this lead to its largest. 60-51. Borboran, maganda nilaro niya ng second quarter. Gets it to Reyes. The layup results in a foul.
It's very important for Meralco to try to get their offense going. Hindi sila makasunod sa labas, try to get to the line, just like what J.R. Reyes did.
Evans ang napituan ng personal foul sa pagkakataon ngayon. Second for JDB. Mintis naman yung free throw ni Reyes. J.R. Reyes takes care of the second. He's got 5 in total. Baba sa balong, hinahabol na Meralco. Baroka looking for Simon. Cardona on him. PJ facing up, jab step fake. Ayaw mo maganda si Captain Hook. Nice spin. Peter June. On a Saturday night, though.
16 points now for PJ Simon. And, you know, it's such a joy to watch PJ. Then, ang dami ng mga moves na nagagawa niya. He's able to react to what the defense gives him and he's able to get that shot up.
Cardona gusto bumawi. He's in traffic. Nice fake! Captain Hook.
Working hard. Si Mac Cardona now with 12 points.
Escobar, sigurado hindi na naman. Basta may mga backbench yung mga paborito ni Johnny Escobar. Bowles from the right. Spinning baseline. Oh! That's the ball! Throwing it down!
hard to the basket. Quick spin again towards the baseline. Two-handed slam para kay Bull.
First double-digit spread of this game. Second. Kita mo naman to. Tatlo pa yung nakapaligid sa kanya doon. Cardona at Borboran, last line of defense. Wala na silang magagawa doon. Dawson bumawi naman sa kabilang dulo.
Ganda ng reaction ni Denzel Bolton when the defense is giving him.
Advance! Maganda yung pagkakalibrate niya at halftime.
Maganda yung kanyang pagbasa din sa depensa. Nakita niya nakasag itong si J.R. Reyes. Yung sag, titira ko ng 3 points.
Second three-pointer of the game para dito may Devance. Borboran over James. Babalik lang ni James yan dito sa ating laro. Cross sa poste kontra Baroka. Looking to feed Dawson. Bumped by Bull. Making the contact. Gets the basket.
That was a tough shot. Outstretched arms falling away. Spinning for Eric Dawson.
Parang fade away layup.
Oh. Parang nakapikit na rin siya.
Devance na naman.
Inside and out for Joe Devance now with 13 points. Sino kaganda dito kay Devance? He's not just settling for the outside shot. Iba din niya.
J.R. Reyes settling for that 3-point attempt. Nakakataon na Sandvik. Palagsin pa ang kanilang abante rito. James creating the space. Kontra kay Borboran. Matalas lang yung tira. Reyes over to Ross. Nakita si Cardona on the run. Matt off balance. Dawson stick back. Ayaw pa rin.
Sandvik wants to shoot 9 out of 13. Make that 10. 14 in this quarter. Talking about napakataas ng shooting percentage ng Sandvik Coffee. And how do you put your percentage up? You share the basketball.
Frustration starting to set in dito sa Meralco Balls. Tignan mo si Chris Ross. Mahagis na niya yung bola doon sa goal post dahil assignment niya yun eh. Missed his assignment. Naasar na sila sa kanilang mga sarili dito. Forcing Coach Brian Gregorio into a 30-second timeout now.
When you look at that play, one of the things that happened kay Chris Ross is he lost vision of his man nung pagkat, kaya naman siya na singitan ng isang layup.
Habang nandirito tayo sa 30-second timeout na Meralco Balls, silipin muna natin ang ating Mang Tomas macho ganado move of the game. Macho si PJ Simon dito, ginawang asintahan si Mac Cardona, sangpoting Mang Tomas patok sa mga machong katulad ni Dom ng buhay nyo. Mang Tomas, macho ganado.
Sige, ako macho, pero ikaw yung macho ganado.
Parang mali, nag-backfire sa akin yun. Ikaw macho, ako ganado. Si Miko Halili ang ganado.
Hindi, ikaw, mas bagay talaga sa'yo.
71-58, nagsisimula ng mamaga ang abante ng Sandvik Coffee. Meralco goes to their import. And Eric Dawson will through to the line for 2 shots.
Well, off that timeout, Brian Gregorio wanting to set up his import.
Pero ilang beses na rin natin nakita, Dom, yung mga usual na 3-point play opportunity ni Dawson. Nagiging yung 2 shots. Hindi niya nakukuha yung mga point blank na kahit nagkakakontact, alam naman natin si Dawson kaya niya ipasok.
Well, kaya niya ipasok yun, but ang nagiging problema niya, he has to go through 2 or 3 defenders of the Sandvik Coffee Mixers at hahanapan pa niya ng butas pagkatapos niya. And that's why hindi straight layup yung nagagawa niya. No? Hinahanapan niya talaga ng butas, which is more difficult to make the shot.
And until the rest of the locals not named Mac Cardona hurt to Sandvik Coffee, yung depensa nila ay itutuon lang talaga dito kay Dawson. Ross to Dawson on the run! Oh, natagian from behind. Out of bounds lang yun. Excellent hustle on the part of Bulls.
Naisahan ito si Eric Dawson that time. He thought he had a slam dunk.
Sunday for 3. No. Bulls beats Hodge to the rebound. Here comes Baroka sa kabilang dulo. Yak tatanggap over to Devance. He's on the hot hand dito sa ating third quarter. JDV, they're testing in. Not that time around. Cardona puts it on the floor. Tatlo kalaban. Mac, walang problema yan. Picks up the personal.
Sandvik Coffee able to get back on defense. Like you mentioned, 2-5 yun. At that opportunity for Cardona.
Leslie Gonzalez, bagong pasok. Napituan kagad ng foul. Mac is at the line for 2. Hanap pa rin natin ang ating mga ulalam, mahal ng masa, fans of the day. Mula sa masarap, malaman, mura at convenient kasi easy to open ulalam, ready to eat ulam. Para sa masa, mahal ng masa, ulalam, 15 pesos lang. And I have to jump on the bandwagon. Sang-ayon ako kay Mr. Halili.
Sabi ko na.
You have to change your Twitter name, Dom. Ulalam, bagay.
Mag-aantay ako ng siguro mga at least 100 people na magsabing oo.
Si Stel, umuha na. Tatlo na kami lumigo. That's Halili, Marjon, and Guevara. Pull-up jumper, Rivas. No go. 3.5 remaining in the third. Timberlake to Cardona. Stop and pop three. Bang!
Forcing Coach Tim Cohn into a timeout.
71-63. Baba bigla sa 8. Ang abante ng San Mig Coffee. 5 unanswered points galing dito kay Captain Hook. Forces San Mig into this timeout. At dahil po, itong PBA, April 9, ang founding anniversary ng PBA, no? Founding week natin, yung New San Jose Builders, nakapartner ng ating PBA para sa ating nagbigay nga yung ceremonial keys from the executives in the celebration of the 26th anniversary. At 38, PBA's 38 season, week-long anniversary tayo. At meron tayong raffle promo para sa isang Condo Dub pangarap mong bahay ngayon abot ka.
Pwede ba tayo sumali dyan?
Disqualified na. Maluto natin. Wala man. Pero, PBA tayo.